Meaning of Kwanzaa.
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 Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa is a holiday celebrated primarily in the United States, honoring African heritage and culture. It is observed from December 26 to January 1 each year. The name Kwanzaa comes from the Swahili phrase Matunda ya Kwanza, which means first fruits. This reflects the holiday's emphasis on celebrating the harvest, unity, and the importance of family and community. Kwanzaa was first celebrated in 1966 and has since become a popular cultural observance among African Americans.